Hello class, today we will be discussing how to tell time. We will be going over the clock and its properties. After, you will be completing a few practice problems and answer a few short questions. This is a blank clock. Throughout this lesson, we will work together to complete it. First, let's start by adding the numbers on the clock. We will start at the top and work forward, following the arrow. This is called clockwise. Once this is complete, this is what your clock should look like. Now, let's move over to the clock hands. Let's start with the hour hand. It is the smallest hand on the clock. This hand is responsible for displaying what hour of the day it is. Next, we have the minute hand. This hand is longer than the hour hand, and this hand is responsible for displaying the minutes in the hour. Last, we have the second hand. Although many clocks don't have one, it is still very important. This hand is responsible for every second. Next, we have these little lines around the clock. These little lines represent every minute. The numbers 1 through 12 on the clock are increments of 5 minutes each. Now, let's go over some fun facts about a clock. There are 24 hours in a day. This means the clock is used 2 times in one day. There are 60 seconds in 1 minute, and there are 60 minutes in 1 hour. Let's move on to some practice problems. In this first clock, the hour hand is facing the 12, and the minute hand is facing the 3, which is 15 minutes. So, the answer to this first clock is 12:15. For the next clock, the hour hand is facing the 4, and the minute hand is facing the 9, which is 45 minutes. So the answer is 4:45. The last clock, the hour hand is facing the 11, and the minute hand is facing the 5, which is 25 minutes. So the answer is 11:25. Here are some questions that you should answer, and I will be collecting at the end of class. Thank you.